Guys, I know what you're thinking. C might not be the most popular language so far, but trust me, knowing the basics of C is super important. Plus, once you understand C, learning other languages becomes much easier since they all share similar concepts. Guys, before we dive into coding, you'll need a C compiler. There's a tons of tutorials on YouTube that show how to download and set one up, so I won't waste our time on that. If you haven't done it yet, check out one of those videos that I will place in the descriptions and then come back so we can jump straight into learning. Welcome back. I personally recommend choosing VS Code over other editors since it's much easier for beginners. The next step is to download the necessary extensions. So go to extensions and find Code Runner. Download it. Secondly, find C, C++. So basically we need to download everything that has the similar profile. I mean the avatar, the similar avatar. So this C, C++ compiler run, C, C++ extension pack. And if you want, so you can download C, C++ themes for the better visualization, I guess. So once you're downloaded everything correctly, you're ready to start coding. In the first lesson, we are going to write our very first C program. We'll start with the classic hello world, a simple program that prints out a hello world message. So to start, let's create a new file. Let's call it hello world.c. Create a file, replace. Okay, I had one, never mind. So here you can type anything you want, but that won't work. Let's start coding by including the standard line. So this lines includes a library that allows us to print text to the screen. Basically, just remember that initially you are unable to run a program on C without this line. This is like the head of our program. So secondly, let's include our main function. So the main function is the function where our main program will be. So let's print out hello world semicolon and return 0. So let's run the program. So yeah, let me do like, let me. So yeah, it prints hello world indeed. But what if we won't write a semicolon, for example? Run. So it says that error expected semicolon after expression. So in this language, it's prohibited to run a command without a semicolon at the end. Look, it will always be lined with red color if there won't be a semicolon there. So, but let's print out. So hello world. I hope you liked this lesson. Of course, it was just a brief introduction. And in the next lesson, we'll learn about variable types, such as ints, doubles, booleans, arithmetic operations such as plus, minus, division, remainder division, and so on, statements, loops, arrays, and more. Essentially, we'll be comprehending and mastering the basics of C programming and computer science. I hope you have downloaded the compiler and installed the extensions. If you enjoyed the lesson, please subscribe and press the like button. See you on the next lesson. Subscribe!